Hey, Book Besties. This is Nicole from Booked and Busy, and I'm reading um, Son of a Crime God, Daughter of a Hoover, and this is books 1 through 3. So I'm about 34% in. LaToya, Toya, Toya, what is wrong with you? Them people do not need no offspring. People, I repeat myself. Daryl and Spark do not need offspring. He's smart enough to know it. She not. What the hell? Why is she trying to destroy everything? What is wrong with her? I know she touched. I know he touched. I know she touched. Everybody's touched. Not the daddy said, keep the baby and then it can start a war because I need some action. I know you effing lying. Girl, what the girl? I woke up this morning and said, okay, let me read this book. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Girl, let me finish this book because the way I've been here hollering, laughing at the foolishness and mayhem. And when I said I needed a book that was foolish and crazy with a whole bunch of mayhem, this is it. So for those that need to know how to get out your slump, I just read a super duper emotional book. I said, I know I'm going to get foolish and mayhem with this particular author in this particular series because her daddy crazy and the daughter is crazier. And Phantom is him and the mama is crazy. And Gerald don't have neither. This does not make for a good mix. Oh, oh my God. Oh, I need to know how this gonna end up. I actually need to know how this gonna end up. I'm nosy as fuck. And it say I got I don't know how many. I guess it's 3 books in one. So I'm finishing up book 1. Mm-mm. Child, here we go. Happy reading.